Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at Oral-B IO Series 9, and I'll bring this closer to you. So 3D teeth tracking, cleaning coach via Bluetooth, smart pressure sensor, interactive color display, 2-minute timer, magnetic charger. So the Series 8, which it is what I had previously, it also comes with 7 smart modes. I think the only difference for me, I think that one had 6 smart modes, and then you didn't have the case that allows you to charge it, but otherwise it's pretty much the same. So let me just open it up. So there you have it, and straight away let's just quickly bring the 8 IO 8 and have a quick look. So they are literally exactly the same, so you could easily get this one instead of this one. So they look exactly the same. I think this is a bit more shiny if I look in the light in here, but otherwise it's exactly the same. So yeah, let me put this away because I will get confused. So that's the one. So one thing I really like about this one is that they charge faster. So IO Series 8, 9, 10, they charge in about 3 hours, fully charged. So that's something I really like. I'm impressed that this one either is discharged or with the other ones I don't know if there's a way of fully turn them off. As you can see, as soon as you move it, it just does that. Or maybe if you press and hold it, no. So yeah, I know when you travel it's quite annoying because you put it inside the case and then it just turns itself on when you move it. So you get 2 of these brushes, head brushes, which is quite nice. And with these brushes you can use them up to 60 days. You can even use them more if they still look alright, but I tend to use them up to 60 days. So this is the adapter. It's not like an European one. It's just for bathrooms, I think, or something like that. It's a specific type. You need an adapter in order to use it in UK, which I would hope that they included, but I see they haven't. So this is actually for the case. This is the one I use at home to charge it, and then that's the case itself. It's bigger than the previous case I had for the IO 8, but that's because it's they reinforced this, which is quite nice to see. Actually, this is the bit. Actually, that's pretty much the same. So how do you open it? I just push this in, I guess. So yeah, that's how it looks like. It's very interesting. So I guess you just have to plug this in there, like so. And when you have this inside, it's quite fixed, so it will stay in there, and you will charge, because it's the same as having it via this. And this is where you can put a spare brush when you go on holiday. Okay, so all you need to do is to install the Oral-B app and then go through the settings and pair it via Bluetooth, which I'll do in just a second. Okay guys, so then all you had to do is just to pair it by going into devices, and yeah, and then you just go all the way down, and you can set reminders here, but you had an option to add one. You can only add one, So I've added it in here, and then this is where you can set brushing session goals. Brush go, I have 22 minutes brush vibration. I think that will also I don't like that because you will use the battery. And then on the home you can actually start your session, and then you will tell you what are you brushing. As you go around, it just comes up like that. You can say done, and then it comes up in there. You can have history. You can have, you can check how much pressure you've used, how many unguided sessions you have. You can go into a lot of details per month, per year, and then goals, awards. I hope you like the app, and you can even change the modes from here: sensitive, whiten, gum care, intense, super sensitive, tongue clean. I'm curious. But yeah, there you have it. It's a nice thing to have. Thank you for watching.